Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of SYBCom, Accountancy and Financial Management, and we are studying amalgamation of partnership firms. Today we are going to solve another problem on amalgamation of partnership firms. Welcome back. Here you can see the capitals are given. Bill's capital is 61,200. Bill's capital is 44,000. This capital will be shown into the balances in the respective partners' capital account. Mills capital, Gill's capital will be shown in the books of MJ and Company's partners' capital account. Creditors' bank overdraft, this will be transferred to realization account. On the asset side, there are land and building, furniture, vehicles, stock, investments, debtors, and bank. All these assets will be transferred at book values to the realization account. Again, we have given the profit sharing ratios here. Old firm ratio is given 4:3:2, and in the books of MG and Company 3:2. So these are the old PSR, and new PSRs are also given 6:5:4:3, and this will belong to BMW Group, that is the new firm. Further, we have given the terms and conditions of amalgamation. Condition is given provision for doubtful debts at the rate of 5% to be made on debtors. So what we will do while calculating the purchase consideration, we will show the debtors in assets and we will show the RDD in the liabilities. And next, second condition is given, the rebate on the liabilities of creditors to be provided at the rate of 2%. So on creditors, we will calculate the rebate, and this rebate will be shown into assets part, and creditors will be shown as it is into the liabilities. That means we are going to show the gross values of debtors and creditors in their respective sections, right? Next condition, new firm to take over the assets of old firms as under. So the revised values, or we can say the agreed values, are given here. In the balance sheet we have earlier seen there were book values, and now these are the agreed values. And here goodwill is also given. For BW and Company, goodwill is raised at 25,000 or valued at 25,200. For MG and Company it is 18,000. Next condition, furniture and land and building not taken over. So these two assets are not taken over, and other assets are taken over by the firm. So these assets have been sold for rupees 54,000 on 1st April 2018 by MJ and Company. Mr. Bill take over investments for rupees 3,040. So Mr. Bill is one of the partners of BW and Company, and he has taken over the investments. That means these investments of BW and Company are also not taken over by the BMW Group, that is the new firm. So here entries are given for you for your reference. First entry for that asset sold or disposal of asset is bank account debit to realization account, and entry for asset taken over, that is capital account debit to realization account. Next, the capitals of the partners in the new firm were to be rupees 2,16,000 to be contributed in profit. So this 2,16,000 will be the new firm's capital, and it should be contributed into the profit sharing ratio. That is the new PSR given to us 6:5:4:3. And any adjustment, means any surplus may be there or any deficit may be there, that should be adjusted into cash. In the last problem, we have learned how to adjust the capitals into current account, and now we are going to see how to adjust the capital accounts into cash. Last, you are required to close the books of old firms and prepare the opening balance sheet of the new firm. So we are going to show all the ledger accounts in the books of old firms, that is MG and Company and BW and Company, and further we are going to prepare the balance sheet in the books of BMW Group. Let us see that. So here first step is calculate the purchase consideration. For calculation of purchase consideration, we have written here the Three columns are there. First column is for BMW, BW and company. Second is for MG and company, and third column is of totals. So in particular column, first of all, we will write assets taken over. So assets taken over, land and building is taken over uh, of the BW and company for 40,000, and furniture is taken over for 64,000. But the MG and company has sold these assets, so their amounts are not shown here. So there is a dash into them, right? Next, vehicles amounts are given as per the uh, information given. Stock, goodwill is also given to us into the information. Debtors, we have written the gross amount of debtors here. Gross amount of debtors is written here. Then bank account 13,600. Rebate on creditors, that rebate on creditors is in respect to these creditors. 2% rebate is calculated. So here are creditors of MG and company 3,000, sorry, creditors of BW and company are 20,800. On to that 2% we have to calculate. So 20,800 into 2% is equal to 416. And for MG and company, 24,000 into 2%, that is 480. Further, bank overdraft is there of MG and company, so that is written as it is. Then RDD is calculated. Provision for doubtful debts is calculated on the debtors of each firm. So debtors of BW and company are 27,200 into 5%, that comes to 13,600. Then debtors of MG and company are 23,200 into 5%, that comes to 1,160. Now take the total of these assets. Take the total of these assets, right, and then deduct the total of the liabilities from that, and you will get the purchase consideration. In the same case with the MG and company, take the total of assets and then deduct the total of liabilities, and you will get the purchase consideration here. This purchase consideration will be credited to realization account of each firm, and these are the totals given here. These totals will be shown in the, this will be posted into the balance sheet. So we are going to post these totals of each and every item into the balance sheet as per the rules, right? Let us see the ledger accounts in the books of the old firms. So the profit is transferred here, and then we will close it. So bills total is 80,341 on credit side. We will copy this total on the debit side. We will deduct the amount on the debit side of bill, that is 3040, and we will get the balance of bill as 77,301, and this balance will be transferred to the new firm account, which is shown here, 77,301. Similarly, we will close the bills account. Total of bills account on credit side is 58,355. So take the total here, copy it here. So there is nothing on bills debit side, so the balancing figure will be the same, 58,355. So we will transfer this total also to the BMW Group account on credit side. Now we will close the BMW Group account. You have to do the corresponding effect of this purchase consideration is, it should be shown here. Further, we are going to prepare the ledger accounts in the books of MJ and company. So first of all, prepare the realization account. So in realization account, same steps will be there. We are going to transfer the assets on the debit side at their respective book values. So don't consider any agreed values here. Just write down the book values which were given to you into the balance sheet. Then transfer the liabilities. Two liabilities are here, creditors and bank overdraft is here. So those are transferred here. Then make the transaction for purchase consideration. So write the purchase consideration on the credit side of realization account. Entries by BMW Group account 43,680. Right. Then we will make the transaction for land and building and furniture were sold by this MGN company. So MGN company has sold these assets for 54,000. So entries by bank account into bracket land and building and investments are sold. So 54,000 will be written here. Then further step, we are going to take the total of this credit side. This total is 1,25,280. Write the total on the debit side and deduct all these amounts. So take the total of this and deduct it from 1,25,280 and you will get the profit on realization as 22,880. Now this profit will be distributed in the ratio of 3:2, which was given of the old partners ratio. That means 3/5 and 2/5, right? Then we will draw the partners capital account. First step, what we have to do, write the balance of partners capital. Then we will transfer the realization profit, that is your second step. Then transfer this amount 54,000 which were sold, land and building and furniture was sold, that should be written here and that should be also in their ratio 3:2. So distribute this also into 3:2. So selling of, so here the calculation is done here. 54,000 into 3/5, 54,000 into 2/5, that is your amount 32,400 and 21,600. Then BMW, then we will close the account, partners capital account, mills account will be closed. The total is 58,928 and the balancing figure is 26,528. So this figure will be transferred to the BMW group account like it here, right? Then Gills account will be closed. Credit side total is 38,752. Take this total on the debit side here and deduct the amount of bank from here and you will get the balancing figure of 17,152 here and this amount will be transferred to the BMW group account like here. Both amounts have been transferred here. Now we will see the BMW group account in the books of MGN company. So first effect should be given of this purchase consideration. This should be transferred here 43,680, right? And then this balancing figures of the partners capital which will be transferred to the new firm. So you are transferring it here like that and this account has been tallied in the books of BW and company also. The account was tallied. Similarly, the account will be tallied here also. Now here the calculation of bank account is shown here. How the bank account is arrived here. So realization, land and building and furniture are sold for 54,000 and these 54,000 have been transferred to the mill and gill into this ratio 3:2. So there is no balance here into the bank account, right? So you can see here there is no balance of bank account here, though it was shown on the credit side that amount has been transferred to their capitals, right? Because these assets are not taken over by the new firms, that's why these amounts are transferred to the capital accounts of the partners mill and gill. So now next step we are going to prepare the balance sheet. So prepare. So balance sheet is in the books of new firm. So give the heading in the books of new firm. Before preparation of the balance sheet, you should adjust the capital. So we have calculated here the adjustment of capital. Alternatively, you can draw the capital account. You can write these balances, you can write the new balances and you will get the excess or shortage of the capital. So here capital which was arrived from the old firms is written here. Bill 77,301, bill 58,355, mill 26,528 and gill 17,152, right? Now required capital is given, total capital is given to us 2,16,000. that should be divided into this new PSR. This is our new PSR, right? So 2,16,000 into 6 upon, make the total of all these, 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3, that is 11 plus 7, that is 18. So 6 plus 6 upon 18, right? And you will get the amount of 72,000. For will, the expected capital is 60,000. For mill, the expected capital is 48,000. And for gill, it will arrive at 36,000. Now we will see the difference. We will compare the earlier capital, old firm's capital and required capital, and we will find out if any excess or shortage is there. So in case of bill, their capital arrived from the old firm is 77,301, but the required capital is only 72,000. That means this is excess capital. So excess is how much? We will deduct this required capital from that, and the excess is 5,301. This excess will be given back to the bill, sorry, right? So that should be deducted. This is here, you can see paid to bill 5,301. Now calculate for will. Will's capital is 58,355, which is transferred from old firm, and his required capital is 60,000, which is more than the earlier capital. So there is shortage of 1,645. So shortage means he has to bring upon the cash into the new firm. So how much cash he is going to bring? 1,645, which is shown into the balance sheet. It is added to the bank account. Then in case of mill, we can see huge difference is there. His earlier capital is 528, and his required capital is 48,000. So there is shortage of 21,472, and that much cash he has to bring it here. So that cash is also added to the bank account. In case of Gill, his earlier capital was 17,152, but the required capital is too much more, 36,000, and the shortage is 18,848. So he has to bring this much capital, this much cash into the business, 18,848 as their capital. So their new capitals will be like 72,000, 60,000, 48,000 and 36,000. These capitals are going to be returned here into the balance sheet, right? So these new capitals are written here, which were in the ratio of new PSR 6:5:4:3, right? And this excess and shortage is adjusted here into the bank account, or you can say into the cash account. Earlier there was no balance of bank account here, and sorry, the balance of bank account is 13,600 here, and these have been addition and this has been deduction from that, and the closing balance of bank account is 50,260, right? You got my point? Bank account is 13,600. We added all this amount and it became 55,565. We deducted 5,301 from that, and the remaining amount is 50,264, right? So let us see the liability side of the balance sheet. As we have told, we have taken the capital of 2,16,000, which is distributed in their PSR 6:5:4:3. Then creditors total from the purchase consideration, take it here. Rebate is given. Rebate should be deducted 896 for both the firms. It is not only for one firm, it is for both the firms, and after deducting that, the net amount of creditors is 43,904. Bank overdraft is belongs to one firm only, and that is transferred here 3,600. Now let us see the goodwill. In this question, goodwill is not written off. In the last question, it was told us to write off the goodwill, and we have done that accordingly. But in this question, it is not asked to write off, so the goodwill is shown as it is. Total goodwill of both the firms is arrived at 43,200. Land and building of only one firm is transferred here for 40,000. Furniture of one firm is transferred here 6,400. Vehicles total of both the firms 16,400. Stock total of both the firms 59,360. Debtors total of both the firms 50,400 minus RDD of both the firms 2,520, and the remaining amount net debtors are 47,880. Further, bank account, we have already discussed about that. The net figure of bank account is 50,264, and the total of the asset side is 2,63,504, and similarly the total of the liability side also 2,63,504. That means it tallies your balance sheet, right? So what we have done, first of all we draw the realization account in the first of all we calculated the purchase consideration, right? Then we calculated the then we draw the realization account in the books of BW and company. Then we draw the capital accounts in the books of BW and company and BMW group account. Further, we draw up the ledger accounts in the books of MJ and company. And lastly, we draw the balance sheet in the books of BMW Group, like this which is on the screen. Thank you very much. This question was taken from the book of Accountancy and Financial Management, semester 3 of SET Publishers. Thank you very much.